The first thing to do is to remove the clips that locks the insulation of your compartment. Then lift the rubber seal so that you can access the back of the tail light. Carefully lift the insulation to expose the bulb sockets of your tail light. Locate your turn signal's socket. Once you locate it, turn it anti-clockwise, then pull to unlock it. Pull the stock halogen bulb, then insert your LED T20 bulb. This is 7440 type, meaning it is single contact or single light LED bulb. Once inserted, turn on turn signal. If the LED won't turn on, pull out the bulb and reinsert, turning it, as LED bulbs have polarity. As you can see, it is hyperflashing. This is because LEDs have lower wattage as compared to halogen bulbs. Your car's computer is thinking that your turn signal bulb is busted as it is drawing low wattage from it. To solve this, we will be using a load resistor. This will disable hyperflashing. This is a plug-and-play type. Make sure that you will be purchasing the correct type of load resistor. As for this 2007 Honda Civic, we will be using a 7440 type. Remove the LED bulb and in its place, insert the 7440 male pin of the load resistor. Then insert your LED bulb in the load resistor's T20 socket. Now, hyperflashing is solved. Reinsert the turn signal socket, turning it clockwise to lock it. After this, you are now ready to put back the insulation cover and weather seal, reversing the order when we removed them.
Man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. I just wanna be the man.
I spent the last 2 weeks just grinning. I spent the last 2 weeks just grinning.